Hey there, it's Bryson from Bold. In this video, we'll go over how to add a membership plan as a buy button to the storefront. When a membership plan is created, you must add the membership plan to the storefront in order for customers to see your membership details and access the registration form. You can add a membership plan to the storefront using one of two options, a widget or a buy button. A widget will display the membership plan details all on one page. A buy button will display the plan registration form in a pop-up modal once the buy button is clicked by a customer. While both options are effective, I'll be going over the steps of adding a membership plan as a buy button to a page on my storefront. Visit our Help Center for steps on adding a membership plan as a widget. First, I'm going to create a new page for my buy button so I can add the membership details in the body of the page, as these details do not appear in the buy button pop-up modal. Once you have the plan description added to the page, navigate to the Bold Memberships admin and click Plans. Select the settings gear icon next to a membership plan you want to add to a page, then click Get Buy Button. In the pop-up modal, choose a billing option to generate a buy button for you if you have multiple billing options available in the membership plan. Adjust the button label as needed. Copy the code provided in the pop-up modal, as we'll be using this to display the buy button on our storefronts. Now that we have the buy button code copied, you can paste the code anywhere that accepts HTML code, such as a product page or your cart page. I'm going to add the code below the plan description I added earlier. To do this, navigate to your plan edit page, click the Show HTML button, and paste the code below the plan description. Once you enter the code, click Save. Navigate to your storefront and view the page where you inserted the buy button code. The button should appear similar to my example, and when selected, the pop-up modal should look like the following. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold memberships, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.